Good morning, YouTube people. So this morning I get to unload all of, hang on one second, sorry. All of this by myself with my two little helpers. It's been here since Saturday night. They have had since then to munch on it, but they decided that now seems like a great time. Excuse me. Okay, guys. Fine, move. Good. Good, girls. Never mess with a girl that can move hay bales. Pausing the action to watch Danny ride Finn.
Just wants to go.
Hey, buddy.
Oh.
Hey, Finn.
Hey, buddy.
I ordered a new tripod, so we'll see how long that takes to come. Well, this lighting kind of sucks. Oh. I don't know that there's enough room in there for all of these. I'll probably end up putting them,
Yeah.
which would be nice till we need get more. But by then I'll be down in here some. Watch out, Clyde! My goodness! Dropping hay on I go. Ugh. Excuse me, get out! Out! Go! Get out! I'm not going to complain that the smell's almost full. Come on. Well, I have one extra. Good. Bonnie. A full hay stall. Happy me. James would say, cars make him happy. Hay makes me happy. Break time, going in for some lunch. Just had to show you guys the exciting thing that happened. Just a second. Mr. Gray is home. She's been here a couple of days now. But look how pretty, or handsome, I guess it's a boy. James did a wonderful job. And he's all safetied and ready to go. He's awesome to drive. I've driven him myself. What you guys doing? I'll be there in a minute. Going to feed some ponies. We got some goats. There's Bonnie. Got some frost. Yay. Halloween is tomorrow and winter is coming. Not happy. You guys hungry or what? Horses. Oh, there's B. Okay, so since I established feeding with one hand is really not possible, check back in a minute. Good morning, happy critters. No one has noticed that Duncan is eating all by himself over here. I'm hoping nobody does. Oh, I think B noticed. Duncan, eat faster, buddy. She's coming. Hurry up, honey. She's coming. Again, more happy ponies. Where's the rest of them? Oh, the mud. God, I hate the mud. Oh, there's Toika. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Look at these cutie horses. Lily and Toika. Oh my God. My girls. Toika and her big butt. B. Toika still has a big butt. Lily has a little butt. It is 2:45 and now I sit and wait for the school bus. Nathan is on his way home. I look forward to this time. I mean, yes, I enjoy getting stuff done in the barn and mud. Oh God, the mud. But I enjoy when my baby comes home too. I miss him during the day. Here comes the school bus. Nathan be here soon. Nathan! Say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Here, babe. You want to grab... Oh, what happened? I like... Woo! Helicopters! Can you grab Grammy's paper? Right there?
Yeah.
All right.
Helicopters.
The helicopters. Okay, we're going in the house now. Come here. Oh, we got some goats. Scared of a big dog. Even though the big dog isn't doing nothing except being here. Goats aren't sure. We are... Come here, Becky. So, what I did today, I realized I forgot to mention it. I cleaned, though you can't really tell because the horses have made a lovely mess again. But I did clean this. And Mac's pulling me in circles. And the goats made a lovely mess. Look at this with the hay. Oh my goodness. But yep, I cleaned in here for a very long time. And now I'm going to feed the horses again, and then we're going back in the house because it's cold outside. Hey, we're done for the day. We're going in the house. Bye, people.
Bye, people.